So what we do here, we grab standard bar stock and we cut it in multiple pieces. So the operator only has to load these parts in here, brings this cart back and just loads this whole unit up with raw bar stock. Over on this side we have a conveyor run by an AC motor. You lift it up and then it gets transported in this unit here. The servo gripper will get a hold of it and will actually start loading parts, sliding parts into the saw and cut 12-inch pieces. At the end of the walking beam we have a finished part. It gets picked up with this gripper. This slide drops it off in this plastic bin. This whole operation doesn't take more than 3.7 seconds per part. They cut all these pieces by hand, 32,000 a week, 64,000 holes a week. So we created this automated machine for these guys and I think they're going to be very happy with it.